If you are encountering the please check your internet connection and try again error in Telegram, it could be due to a variety of reasons such as network issues, app glitches, or even server-side problems. So in order to fix that, firstly, ensure that you are connected to the internet either via Wi-Fi or mobile data. After that, all you have to do is go to the App Store in your mobile device. Once inside the App Store, simply tap on the search icon available in the bottom right corner. Then simply type down the Telegram and tap on the Telegram and ensure that you are using the latest version of Telegram because updates often contain fixes for non-bugs. If there is an update option available next to it, then simply tap on it and re-download the updated version of the Telegram. After that, go back to the settings on your phone. Then simply scroll down and tap on the general option available there. And once inside the general, scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Now in the list of apps, scroll down again and tap on the Telegram. You can see the various apps option available here. Now once you tap on the Telegram, simply tap on the Offload App option available there in blue highlights and offload this app. So by offloading it, you can clear cache or app data and it can resolve your app related issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.